This is the superficial. Fascia has two layers. This is the camper and this is the scarpa. This is the camper. This is the scarpa. Two layer. This is the camper. This is the scarpa. And in between the two layer, this structure. That is the superficial epigastric, superficial external pudendal branches, and this is the superficial external circumflex iliac. These branches. Superficial epigastric, circumflex iliac, and superficial external pudendal. Okay. So this is the camper and this is the scarpa. Then this is the external oblique. This is the muscle. This is the aponeurosis. This is the muscle, and this is the aponeurosis. Okay. And this is the internal. This is the inguinal ligament. Okay. This is the inguinal ligament. So inguinal ligament formed by lower thickened border of the external oblique. So this is the inguinal ligament. Inguinal ligament extend from the axis to pubic tubercle. So this is the inguinal ligament. Okay. In superficial inguinal ring, this is the in external oblique aponeurosis there is a this is the superficial inguinal ring. Okay. This is the superficial inguinal ring. Okay. This is the oblique triangular gap. Okay. This gap is called the superficial inguinal ring. Gap of external oblique aponeurosis. So this is the superficial inguinal ring. Okay. Then so this is the external oblique. Okay. Then this is the internal oblique. This is the internal oblique. This is the transversal abdomen. This is the conjoint tendon. This is the conjoint tendon. Okay. Conjoint. So this is the internal oblique. This is the transversal abdomen. Okay. Then this is the fossa transversalis. This is the fossa transversalis. Okay. This fossa is the fossa transversalis. Deep to the fossa, this Eole structure. This is the extraperitoneal tissue. Fatty tissue. Okay. This fossa, descending fossa. Deep to the fossa, this Eole structure. This is the extraperitoneal tissue. Okay. And eta came. So this is the deep ring. The deep ring formed by the fossa transversalis. Okay. And so this is the oval gap, oval opening, deep ring, and it again superficial ring formed by the external oblique. So from the deep ring to superficial ring. So this is the So this is the inferior epigastric artery. Okay. Passes medial to the deep ring. So this is the inferior epigastric artery passes medial to the deep ring. Okay. What is this? Rectus abdominis muscle. Rectus abdominis muscle. Okay. Next is the content of inguinal canal. Content spermatic cord. Deep ring is there. This is the spermatic cord. This one. Spermatic cord. This is the nerve. Nerve. Ilioingular nerve. This is the ilioingular nerve. Okay. Ilioingular nerve. So this is the spermatic cord. Okay. So this is the spermatic cord. This one. Okay. The spermatic cord. This is the entire content of the inguinal canal, but partial content ilioingular nerve. It pierces the internal oblique, and then it is traverses to the